cloud's moving very slow.
Yeah, not doing too bad.
This is Leiston Abbey in the county of Suffolk. This is actually the third abbey of that name. The abbey was built as a religious house for the canons regular, known as the White Canons, and dedicated to St Mary, and founded around 1183. The first abbey was originally built a few miles away at Minsmere, but was dismantled due to suffering from flooding. The present site, just a few miles from Leiston village, was then chosen. The first structure here was then destroyed by fire, and the present building was finished around 1379. Other additions were made over time, including an impressive Tudor gatehouse in 1500. Only a part of that gatehouse now survives. The abbey was a victim of the dissolution in 1537 by order of King Henry VIII. The abbey then became a farm, and a farmhouse was built into the abbey walls. Later, a Georgian frontage was added to the farmhouse, and in the 1920s it was extended. The site is now the home of the Pro Corda Trust, which specialises in the education and training of chamber musicians. The Lady Chapel has been restored to house a music room with a stage and a grand piano. The abbey now falls under the district of Leiston cum Sizewell, site of the nuclear power station.